Hi, I'm Ellie.
Hi, I am Rory.
And we're the Copland kids from KodeKLIX. Today we will be showing you how to download and set up Blockly. You will need your white CPU, which has a 20M2 chip inside of it.
First, you need to find Blockly, which is located on your desktop. Then go into Settings, Pickaxe Type, and make sure you're searching for a 20M2 computer chip. Then go back into Settings, go to Port, and refresh your COM ports list. Then go to Settings, Port, and click on the next COM port that comes up.
Then, to download to your SnapCPU, press Pickaxe, then Program, or hit F5.
And that is all you need to do to be able to start to program your SnapCPU.
See you next time!